Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you. This is Biafra Breaking News Media. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed and turn on the notification button to stay tuned whenever I post a new video. Senator Enyinnaya Abaribe speaks truth to power once again. The only uncompromised senator, the alone voice in the House of Senate, said that herdsmen are bandits as declared by the IGB, that they are foreigners and should be flushed out of the bushes and not being pampered as if they are the indigenous people, as if they are part and parcel of Nigeria in order to please the northern interest. In line with this, one will agree with me that the silence of the leaders who refuse to talk, refuse to voice out, refuse to speak where and when necessary shows that the North is in control of Nigeria. Evidently, the security of Nigerian state has been violated and has been in violation since the creation of that country and the British handing over the political structure of the country to the North. Apparently, ESN will not back out because the ego's voice that lowered in the House of Senate indirectly reiterated, validated the status of Eastern Security Network. In other words, Fulani Herdsmen must leave the eastern forest, whether they like it or not. It is mandatory, and no amount of pressure will make the people to accept the invaders and give away their ancestral land to these intruders. It's impossible. Thank God for people like Senator Enyinnaya Abaribe, who are always timely when the people needed their voices. You don't need him to make mention of Eastern Security Network in the House of Senate for you to know that he's saying that the invaders must leave the land. And that is the fact. Even though that generally in the whole southern Nigeria and Middle Belt, these invaders have occupied virtually everywhere. In other words, he's also accommodating the interest of these people, being a senator representing Nigerians. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Watch the video.
I didn't want to say anything until I heard certain things on this floor, and I felt that we needed to clear that. I'm an Igbo man, and our people say that when the traditional healer is making medicine for the eye, that he shouldn't find pepper nearby. Because any pepper that goes into the eye means that that medicine will not work. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, I want to talk specifically on the matter of whether people were being sent away. No Nigerian is being sent away from anywhere. Criminals are being sent away from the forest where they are. And so, when we now come here and say, some people, after doing this and they're sending people away, you send the wrong message out. The message is simple. The police, IG, has told us these are criminal elements coming from outside Nigeria. And what we should ask ourselves is, if somebody is a criminal and he is in the forest, what is he doing inside there? And we want to paper over matters of this nature to please whatever. What we want to say is simple. We either want to solve this problem, and in order to solve the problem, the desideratum is that all criminal elements that are coming into this country from wherever they are must be flushed out. Simply sit up.